Hi guys, Shannon down at St.Albert Dodge, and I'm standing next to a Honda Pilot. It's a 2020 Black Edition, and it has some excitable features. First and foremost, it's a Honda. I know anybody out there that sees it's a Honda is going to be a little bit excited, because Honda buyers buy Honda, and they typically don't go the other way. So if you're not a Honda buyer, maybe put this into the lineup of what you're after. So let's walk around together. First of all, it's the Black Edition, so you got the blacked out front end as well as the black wheels. Walking around to the side of the vehicle here, I am noticing that it's got some sensors up on the windshield, which is going to tell me it probably has one of the safety groups. We'll go over on the inside. But they do have that popular lock and unlock capability from the handle. So lock, unlock, and then you can get in. So power lift gate, just a press and hold, lifts that up. And you see our third row. So we got 3 rows of seats, 2, 4, 6. Middle one makes it 7, and it's a 60-40 split. So you pull this, lay that down. You got the extra room when you don't have a full cargo of passengers. Down underneath here, a little bit of storage. And then it looks like they actually have a power outlet in the back, which is pretty cool. That's good for tailgating, obviously, just having a power supply if you're out camping, those types of things. And then there is plug-ins there for your passengers in the third row. Along with that, we're going to go ahead and open up this middle door first, and then I'll show you the rest of the inside. There we go. And there you can see you got the captain's chairs. Now, the reason why I brought you here first is because they have a cool tumble seat system. Why that's important is because for a few reasons. It's not easy for kids to crawl through, especially there's the middle console here. So with just a pull of this, and then this one right here, we're going to be able to go and flip the seat right up. Okay, or not. What the heck? I thought I'd be able to improvise pretty good here. It's like electric, but not. Oh. Are we still rolling? Yeah. I figured it out, guys. Cool. So check this out. Not even a tumble seat system. It's as simple as this. You just press the button from the back row or here, lays it down and slides for you. That's pretty cool. Super easy. We got a button here and a button there. I don't even mind seeing that you guys saw me figure that out. I love it. That's a pretty cool system. Kids slide up right in the back there if you want to just get a little video. That little button there, you just press it, the seat flies forward, and then you can get right back into the third row. Very neat. All right, let's check out the inside. All right, guys, now that we got the back seats figured out, we're sitting in the front seats. I got a chance to get familiarized. It does have some of those safety features that I figured it would have. We've got collision mitigation, which is basically going to be able to see, the vehicle in front of you, help you to brake, as well as the lane departure. So if your signal's not on, you start to go out of lane, it will pull you back in. We got the heated steering wheel, as well as the distance indicator. So you can adjust how sensitive you want that system to be, as well as heated seats, ventilated seats, and a Blu-ray player. I didn't get a chance to show you that, but just in the back here, it does open up. You'll have to check that out, you and the kids, as you come into St.Albert Dodge to see this vehicle. Again, it's the Black Edition. I think that is very nice. As you can see, my seat's moving forward. That means it's got the memory seating with exit capability. Power folding mirrors, it's got the whole thing. Within the touchscreen here, as soon as it loads up, I'm sure we're going to see a really, really nice display that I have yet to see. However, it is one that I believe is kind of newly done by Honda, and I've heard that their system is one to be looked at. So I'm excited. I'm going to get in touch. It's got Garmin navigation. That's a good sign already. Shannon down at St.Albert Dodge. Excited for you to come in and see this Honda Pilot. Our phone number is 780-458-8660. I think this would be a great vehicle for you and the family to come and see. Thanks for your time.